Hi guys, good morning everyone. My name is Mohammed Sartaj from English Spoken Course Harvard. Guys, as you know, I have uploaded the many videos related to the English Spoken Course. And nowadays, English is most important for everyone, every field, every education. So guys, here I am standing in front of you to tell that how to prepare a story, because a story is a main thing to get a flow. So because it is very compulsory to speak English fluency. So when you talk with someone else, so and you have a flow. And today we will discuss about the confidence. So what is the self confidence? And self confidence is the main thing. So he is my student. So he will describe. So what is the self confidence properly? So guys, and you should have a self confidence. Self confidence is the main thing. So I am just going to Tarun. So put up the question. So what is the self confidence? So Tarun, please describe. So what is the self confidence?
Good morning, guys. Firstly, I want to introduce myself in front of you. As usual, I am the unknown person in front of you. So, my name is Tarun Chauhan and I am from Ablagarh, Bijnor. Now, I'll tell you about my education. I have done 12 from UP board in 2022. Presently, I am doing English speaking course from Howard Institute, Ablagarh, and he is my teacher. And he is a very good teacher. He teaches me English in a very good way. And he asked me a question that what is the self confidence. For me, if you will ask me about my point of view or self-confidence, I think self-confidence is the only way to get success in any field. Like if you want to be a good public speaker, so you will have to be enough confidence to talk to the random people at any time. Like if there are 100 to 200 people in the seminar and someone calls you to give a speech in front of everyone, so you will have to be enough confident to give a speech very confidently. If you are not able to give a speech very confidently, that means it seems like you are an uneducated person. So if you want to be seen like I am educated person, so you will have to be enough confident at every time. Like, and secondly, I want to say that if you want to get a great job of your dream job, so you will have to be crack an interview, and you will not. And I know if everyone go, whenever he go for interview, he prepared a lot of things before interview. But if still most of the guys fail in the interview, the main reason is that their self confidence. They don't have enough self confidence at how to talk to the people, how to be encouraged in the all of the communication whatever he is trying to ask to us. And the interview only notice one thing in every person, that is self confidence. And third thing is that if you are going to traveling anywhere and you don't know how and you want to know that what is the most beautiful place of that area, and you don't know about that, you will have to be asked to their local persons that what is the most beautiful place for visiting, and he will tell you about that is the most beautiful place to visit, and he will suggest you to do more things. If but he will tell you, then you will go to ask, but the thing will stop to go to them, that is your self confidence. You will think that what will he think about me if I will go to him to ask anything. It's I think people think that whenever I will go to a random person to ask to anything, he will shoot me. I think that is not going to be happen. Everyone have a lack of confidence. Everyone talk to anyone in a very polite way. It's like they will treat you that they will treat you in that way you will treat to him. So confidence is the most important things, and try to build it up. And at the last but not the least, I just want to pay great thanks to everyone to listen me with patience and care. Thank you so much.
So guys, ये था हमारा सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस क्या है. एंड आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू द वन इंपॉर्टेंट एग्जाम्पल सो विच यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड इजली. सो गाइज, as you know that, as I know also, so everyone use the umbrella in the rainy season. So and what does a umbrella say in the rainy season? Umbrella says that when the rains, it is the raining from the falling from the sky. So and umbrella does not stop from the falling from the sky, but umbrella encourages us to stand. But confidence is a one such thing that, so in the game of the life, win and loss is not the point of the considerations, but it's a very actual field that it's a very complicated to stand in the field. So that's why everyone should have a confidence. So guys, it is the definition of the self confidence. And if you like my videos, so subscribe my channel.